example ha, every month, your father should be sending child support every 15 and 30. Understand? 15 and 30. Okay. Now, this is what happened. This is November. This was October, ha?
Yeah.
This is December, whatever. Let's just do that. So, he didn't send money he sent money this day, but he didn't send in the 31st. So, he only sent money once for the month of October. Now, we are here in November. He sent money November 10. Okay, it's open. The switch is open for November 10. Okay. Now, I kept asking, okay, now where is the child support, sustento, for the month of November, which is November 15? I don't care if you sent money in November 10. That was to make up for everything that you've lost in October katapusan. Tama. Okay. This is how a dick your father is. He said to Lolo, because you sent a voice message to Lolo that you need money for school. Tama. And you need allowance here for the food. Sip! Lusan! Sip! Sanjay! Palusara! Okay. You sent it around here, this area, in this 15, after 15. Now it's going to be 30th. Tomorrow is 30th and he hasn't sent anything yet. He hasn't sent for 15. He hasn't sent for tomorrow. Which is actually, in government, it's advance. They get their salary in advance. So, he didn't give us for the 15. He didn't give us for tomorrow. Now, how many times does he send money every fucking month? How many times?
Every 30.
No. Look at that. Look at the switch. How many times? Only?
3 times.
Only?
2 times.
No, Mon! What switch is on?
1.
Only one! He only sent money once. I am frustrated because we have to budget the food that we eat. We have to budget everything for school, for electricity, for Wi-Fi. And your father doesn't fucking understand that. What, you don't need clothes? You don't need new uniform? Huh? Huh? You keep on eating. You keep on living, guys. And that's normal, because you're kids. But as his responsibility, he should keep on giving child support. He should keep on giving child support because you don't stop living. Nakaintindi. I am angry right now. We have bills to pay. And he sent a screenshot, a proof of what? He sent what? 3,000 pesos? Last November 3? What day is it today? It's November what? 29. What does 3,000 pesos do from November 10 to November 29? I'm not angry at you and you know that, guys. I'm angry at what people are doing to you. What your dumb, jerk-ass motherfucking father is doing to you, and you don't deserve this. Putang ina. November, what? 3,000? For what 1 month? 1 whole month? October. He sent the money from October katapusan. He sent it on November 10 to make up for it. And he didn't send money in the 15 because he sent money in November 10. Putang ina. What will 3,000 do in 1 week? 1 week, 3,000? What will happen in that 3,000 pesos? Even the groceries are 4,000 pesos worth.
You know that, Monasher. Because I always teach you how to budget the groceries. The rice, how much is the rice?
50 per kilogram.
50 per kilo. How many times do we eat each day?
3 times.
And me and Tito has different rice. Tito has different rice because he doesn't even eat here anymore. He is at work. I have shirataki rice. So everything goes to you. Kung diskumpyado hiya, iya ginahatag nga kakarampot la, unta, nag-grocery na lahiya, amo na lang tiya gahatag din pamaksim niya din kun waray, kun iya nawong, waray niya awod. Naawod hiya katubang tiya, nawong nga iyo. 3,000 la. Igi-screenshot mo pa, kwikwentahan mo pa it mga bata. Lurong Tim Ulo. Dennis, Evangelista, Kagara, Junior. Warini mo buot. Warini mo buot. Kita kainin nakabudget na ito, nakabudget. Budget na dito tanan, tinapay. Halos i-budget pa ito. Ha? Ano team huna? Ibatak budget it amon pag-ruling. Ibatak budget itong para at kabataan. It-budget it kabataan, nagkukulang kay nagkukulang ka. Dapat nga nitag 3,000 ito kada bata, 2,500 man lang kada bata. Gusto ni mo malipay kabataan? Unaha ako. Paghatag ha akon, hitig kakalipay nira. Which is what? Financial fucking support. Financial support. Kaya amo na lang mo kaya igambag. Lurong Tim Ulo. Gahambog ni mo timo. Screenshot kan papa. Kung ako tatay, tak anak ginsisinugad nimo, tak mga apo ginsisinugad nimo, pamati ko. Papapusil ko na lang ikaw. Kung ako tatay, ano nga kukuan nimo ako, igikukuan nimo tak anak, gini-stress nimo. Ha? Ina-abuse mo ako emotional, mental stress, financial. Diri ka maaram kung ano't pinanggagastusin inera. Diri ka maaram asikaso pala. Haros waray na kami katurog para lang makatawid gamit pangangailangan. Ano, magios na ako? Kay nasusubrahan na kamo, nada ako na tiyo ulo. Bangin, lugod mapiritan ka mo, maghatag ka mo, lugod amount nga ako nigkukuan, nigdidemand, ano man. Magdedemand ako, 2,500 kada bata. Magpipirmahay kita. Nakaka-high blood ka mo.